Good morning, students. Our topic is econometrics. Firstly, we have to introduce econometrics. Econometrics is the quantitative measurement of economic relationship. It is the application of mathematical and statistical techniques for economic data analysis. That is, different economic phenomena that is happening around us. In econometrics, the analysts identify the various economic phenomena and quantitatively measure it. Econometrics is the social science in which the tools of economics theory, mathematics, and statistical inference are applied to the analysis of economic phenomena. That is, it is a combination of mathematics, statistics, and economics. And these three subjects that paved the way for the development of econometrics theories and econometrics models. What are the uses of this econometrics? That is, in econometrics, we have identifying the independent and dependent variables and find out the relationship between these variables, and models are developed and it is applied in practical situations. That is, forecasting is made on the basis of these studies, these analysis. What are the uses? It helps in describing economic reality. That is, the relation between dependent and independent variables. Then testing hypothesis about economic theory. That is, the extent of relationship between these variables and whether that particular model is good. This is proved through hypothesis testing. Then once the model is built, this model helps in forecasting future economic activities. Then come to financial econometrics. Financial econometrics is a new branch of econometrics and it is an application of econometrics in the field of finance. It is an indispensable tool for students specializing in the field of finance, banking, etc. Then come to model. Model is a simplified representation of a real world process. It should contain the salient features of the phenomena under study. The objective of modeling is to have simple model to explain a complex phenomenon. In econometric models, it is a set of assumptions that describes the behavior of an economy or a phenomena. That is, in econometrics model, we are identifying the various variables and find out the relationship between the variables. Econometric model building. It is a science and art which serves for policy analysis and forecasting. In applying this model building technique, the analyst is forced to define clearly and precisely the interrelationship between the economic variables. Econometric models used for economic forecasting are generally complex. Vast amount of data are required to be collected and processed for the solution of the model. This may cause delay in making the results available also. Thus, the model building is a complex process and it is the end result of all these economic analysis. Thank you. Thank you for today.